In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ownership in Base44. Transferring ownership is an important task, especially when someone new is taking over responsibility for a workspace or project. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click so you know exactly what to do and what to expect on screen. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 account with a user role that has permission to manage ownership. Once you're in, start on the main interface and look for the dashboard. Go ahead and click on Dashboard. This is your central hub, where you can access different areas of your workspace, including the list of users. From the dashboard, the next place you want to go is the Users section. Find and click on Users. This page shows everyone who has access to the workspace, along with their roles and permissions. Take a moment to locate the person who is currently the owner, or the user whose ownership you need to transfer from. Once you've found the correct user, look to the right side of their row for an icon with 3 dots. This is usually a context menu that holds additional actions for that specific user. Click on the 3 dots. A small drop-down or menu will appear with several options related to user management. In that menu, look for the option labeled Change Owner. Click on Change Owner. By selecting this, you're telling Base44 that you want to transfer the ownership of this workspace to another user. At this stage, the platform will usually trigger a confirmation flow to make sure you don't change ownership by accident. After clicking Change Owner, carefully follow the on-screen prompts. These may include selecting the new owner from a list of existing users, confirming that the new owner has the right access, and acknowledging any warnings about what ownership transfer means. Read each message so you understand that ownership might affect permissions, billing, or who can make high-level changes in the workspace. If you're given the option, double-check that you've chosen the correct new owner before confirming. Once you complete the prompts, Base44 will process the change and the new owner will take over control of the workspace. It's a good idea to let that person know the transfer is complete and ask them to log in and verify their new access. And that's it. By following these simple steps, going to the dashboard, opening the users page, using the 3-dot menu, selecting Change Owner, and completing the prompts, you can safely and confidently change ownership in Base44.